Hello, everybody. One of the biggest and the most grand and exclusive internship opportunity जो कि open to all pharma students हैं जी हाँ IPC Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission गाजियाबाद which under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Government of India आ चुकी है एक एक्सक्लूसिव इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी लेकर और ये 9 नवंबर को पब्लिश हुआ था ipc.gov.in की साइट पे। तो आप जैसे ही जाएंगे न्यूज़ एंड हाईलाइट सेक्शन में आपको इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर मटीरियल विजिलेंस प्रोग्राम ऑफ इंडिया MVPI मिलेगा। तो ये एक ऐसा इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम है जिसके लिए ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स हु आर बी फार्म फार्म डी मेडिकल साइंसेज MBBS MD PhD dental sciences BDS MDS PhD engineering BE BTech MTech nursing auxiliary nursing midwifery journeying nurse and midwifery allied health sciences. It is a skill development course and you will get a certificate of completion, and you will also gain some amount of research experience along with some professional networking. So applications will be accepted from the 9th to 18 December only. This is a internship program which is not online or remote. You need to visit IPC Ghaziabad offline. It's an offline program, so you can scan and register on this ID. Also, if there's when you click on that ID, there's a form that opens up Material Vigilance Program of India internship opportunities. The prime task of the research scholar is to coordinate management of the monitoring centers and peripheral hospital clinics in order to improve the quality, quantity, and frequency of the adverse event reporting, because we all know adverse events होते काफी लोगों को है, but वो they are hesitant, they are reluctant to share it, right? An adverse drug reaction or adverse events or suspected adverse drug reactions, suspected adverse events, serious adverse events are some of the terminologies that not every individual knows. And if they go underreported, most of the cases are underreported. So that needs to be reported to the earliest possible. A research scholar must have an attendance of 75%, and an outstanding excellence award will be those given to those who have an attendance of 90% for this program. Definitely, the research program shall visit hospital premises such as nursing wards, ICUs, operation theaters, laboratories, and the research scholars will also be have to coordinate with the NCC MVPI, mostly the medical devices associated programations. Research scholars shall maintain a relationship, also project report coordinator का work he should be doing. So this is a form. You need to fill your email ID, name, address, contact details, institute name from where you come, what sciences have you done. Like I have my master's in pharmaceutical sciences, pharmacology, toxicology. Specify the degree and what is the preferred internship duration. Would you like it for 6 months, 3 months, or 1 year? So 3 months will be from January to March 2026, 6 months will be from January to June, and one complete year, January to December. The 2026 year has been a year of a lot of vacancies and preferences. So if you're interested in the vacancy at the IPC Ghaziabad, if that's the best one, and over here MDMC, adverse event monitoring, right? Medical device adverse drug reaction monitoring center, that is MTMC. So over here you have to select the three preferences. Academic certificates like the previous year mark sheet, semester, you need an provisional certificate, declaration, or a recommendation letter from the head of institution like the HOD, head of department, and a resume, of course a good CV, because there will be so many candidates, इतने सारे लोग इसके लिए अप्लाई करेंगे, बट सिलेक्ट कुछ ही हो पाएंगे। हर एक बंदा सिलेक्ट नहीं हो पाएगा, हर एक बंदा अप्लाई तो करेगा। तो आप आपके मेरिट बेस पे भी सिलेक्ट हो सकते हैं, आपके सीवी रेज्यूमे में क्या क्या स्किल्स है, क्या क्या स्किल सेट है, क्या क्या हार्ड स्किल्स, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स है। तो दिस इज एन एक्सक्लूसिव अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट इज brought to you by one of the prime programs of IPC under the MVPI Material Vigilance Program of India. So don't miss a chance to get into this program. Wishing you all good luck. Have a great day and stay connected with our channel for more such